If your LG front load washer is not filling properly, leaking, or taking longer to wash clothes, the inlet valve could be the culprit. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I got you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. With your washer plugged in and the cycle started, allow the water to start filling. While your washer is overfilling, unplug the power cord. If the water still comes through, the valve has failed. If water stops coming through, something else is causing your washer to overfill. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now the top panel can be moved back and lifted up to be set to the side. The same process is done for the hot water valve and the cold water valve. We're turning the washer off and turning off the water supply. We're also disconnecting the supply hose from the cold water valve. For reassembly, this would be a good time to take a picture of the wires and dispenser hoses and where each one connects to the valves. We're disconnecting the wires from the valve. Grabbing our pliers, we're moving the dispenser hose retainer rings away from the valve and disconnecting the dispenser hoses from the cold water valve. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the mounting screws located on the back panel near the threaded inlet. Now we're pulling the valve out. Here's the old inlet valve and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're mounting the valve onto the back panel with the 2 mounting screws we removed. We're installing the dispenser hoses onto the valve and securing them in place with the retainer rings. We're connecting the wires onto the valve. We're grabbing the top panel and sliding it into place, securing it with the screws we removed at the beginning. Finally, we're installing the supply hose, turning the water on, and plugging that power cord back in. Great job getting your LG front load washer back in action. We'd love to hear all about your repair journey, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. And if you need a new inlet valve or any other parts, just grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you tackle your next project.